Arming and disarming security systems based on Alexa routines. Entry sensor is the most important hardware guarding homes. It is the front line of home protection. Here, the Wise Entry Sensor V2 is used as example. As explained in another video, present-day entry sensors are mostly powered by battery and are always powered on and watching. Any state change, like the sensor is open or close, is called an event by Alexa. It is immediately delivered from the sensor to Alexa server or cloud, which then send notice to your Alexa account. Every device under your name with Alexa app installed will receive that event and trigger alarm routines to run. Of course, these alert routines need to be created first. Also, the sensor hardwares are properly installed with its own app, for example, Wise app. Wise also need to link with Alexa. Furthermore, the Wise skill is enabled in Alexa. An important note is that the entry sensor property of notification off is not stopping the event from reaching Alexa. Therefore, it could not be used to disarm and arm Alexa alert routines. The following method can arm and disarm entry sensors. It also works with other general security components like motion sensor. This method relies on the Alexa commands. Alexa, enable the XXX routine, and Alexa, disable the XX routine, where X is the name of the routine that executes a vocal alert message or a siren sound. Remember that the word "the" and "routine" must be there. The photo on the right shows the content of a typical alert routine. The second action is an Alexa custom action, which will be used very frequently. Siren alarm is an Alexa skill. Before its use, search it in Alexa's Skill and Game page. Launch and enable it to the assigned Echo device. Now look at the When section. The parameter, anytime, it defines the time period. The routine would produce the siren response. Inside this period is like the sensor is armed. This period is usually the sleep time. Here, 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. is entered as example. This setting produces no alert alarm during daytime when user opens doors or windows that produces the open event. Now the routine is completed. Two additional routines are used to arm and disarm entry sensors. Whenever needed, they can be referred to as control routines. For example, arming is initiated when user goes out shopping in daytime. Photo on right shows the one that arms sensors. By enabling the routines, it uses the Alexa's Enable Routine command. For my own convenience, I use one Wise entry sensor as the triggering device and call it Entry Control. This routine can enable more than one alert routines. They are separated with a 5-second interval. The Disable Entry Sensor routine looks very similar, but the trigger is the Open Event of Entry Control Sensor. And for all Alexa action commands, change the word Enable into Disable. Lastly, to use the control routines, go to Alexa, More, Routine, and look for them. Tap the play button on the right. The entry control sensor can also be separated to initiate disable, or pulled back together to enable the routines.